There are great Linux distributions to start with and learn. But, if you're looking for something a bit different, you might want to give Fedora a spin. So in today's video we're going to show you how to install Fedora OS. So let's get started. The Fedora operating system has a strong stand on open source and software freedom. The project actively refuses to include proprietary programs that do not match their development theory. For this reason, Fedora is a favorite among users who want their operating system to respect open source. You can get your copy of Fedora's from their official site. There are two versions available: Fedora Workstation and Fedora Server. So after downloading Fedora Workstation, we need to create a bootable Fedora USB drive. We will be using Rufus application to create the bootable USB drive. So after selecting the USB and ISO file, click Start. If you need to dual boot, create a separate partition of at least 20 GB. So after creating your bootable Fedora drive, restart your computer and boot from the USB device. Select Install to hard drive. Choose your language and select Continue. Select Installation Destination. Choose your hard drive under Local Standard Disk. And then select Done to return to the installation summary screen. If your hard drive has another operating system installed, you may receive a message stating that there isn't enough free space. Select Reclaim Space to shrink or delete existing hard drive partitions. Select Begin Installation. Select Finish Installation and do a restart. You do not get plenty of apps with Fedora, but the set of pre-installed software should be enough to get you started. Due to the GNOME desktop environment, it reminds of Ubuntu. It is stable, secure, and reasonably user-friendly. But the real power of Fedora lies in its server and atomic host versions. Although we didn't review them in particular, if you are an expert user, they are worth taking into consideration. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.